You choose Heritage Auto Repair. This is Scott. May I help you?
Hey, Scott, my car's just been making this horrible screeching noise every time I turn it on. I don't know what's going on with it.
Okay. I have to figure out when I can get you in. Let's see.
Do you think I could, like, let you listen to it real quick and you could maybe tell me what, maybe, like, with your expertise, you could tell me what's going on?
Yeah, maybe.
Alright, here, let me start my car. Oh, gosh. Did you hear that?
No, all I heard was the radio.
Yeah, that sound that was coming out of the car, I don't know. It sounded like 5 young boys singing a song.
Okay.
I don't know what's going on. I don't know why my car is making that noise. It shouldn't be.
Your stereo's not on?
What? My stereo? Oh, maybe that's the problem. Hold on. Oh, yeah, my sister's One Direction CD was in the thing. Silly me.
Okay.
Alright, thanks, man.
Oh, it's a lot.
How do you guys fix cars?
No, hold on. I'll let you talk to somebody.
Auto park.
Do you guys repair cars?
Huh?
Do you guys repair cars?
Sometimes. What you got?
My car, every time I turn it on, it just makes this horrible noise. I don't know what's going on with it.
Where is the car at?
Where is the car? What?
Where is the car located?
At my house.
And Hearn and Brian?
Yeah, and Brian. I mean, I can take it, it's just, it sounds really, I can take it to you guys, it just sounds really bad.
Bring it, I can tell you what's wrong with it.
Here, can you just listen to it real quick? I'm out in my garage.
Huh?
Can you listen to it real quick?
Go ahead.
Okay, hold on.
You know you love me, I know you care. Just shout whenever, and I'll be there.
Did you hear that?
That's the music I hear.
Yeah, I know, it's horrible. Why is it doing that?
The music?
Yes.
Who's this?
This is Jonathan.
Jonathan?
Yes, my car, I need this problem fixed promptly because I can't do anything when I need to drive. I can't work with this.
Because of the music?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Take it to a car dock.
Oh, okay.
All right.
Could you tell me what's wrong with it, though, do you think? Do you have any idea?
The owner?
What? Good one.
All right. Good afternoon, Quality Car Care.
Hey, my car's been making this really bad noise every time I start it. I don't know why.
Okay, what kind of car is it?
A Ford Taurus.
A Ford Taurus?
Yeah.
What does it kind of sound like?
Here, you want me to start my car for you?
Sure.
Alright, hold on.
All right.
We could be starving, we could be homeless, we could be broke. As long as you love me, I'll be.
Did you hear that?
All thing I heard was the radio.
What?
All thing I heard was the radio.
You didn't hear that horrible noise? It sounded like some girl singing.
That's what I heard.
Yeah.
It's off.
Why is it doing that?
You need to cut it off.
Shut what off?
The radio.
Oh. Okay, hold on. Oh, you're right, it worked. Thank you.
So what's happening?
What?
Man, so what else is going on?
Well, I'm about to go drive to One Direction concert, but I couldn't drive my car because that horrible noise.
Oh.
Yeah.
There you go.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too.
Bye. Regional Service, Bill speaking.
Hey, my car's making this really weird noise every time I turn it on. Well, how am I supposed to get places?
Oh, that's true. What kind of car is it?
It's Ford Taurus. It's like every time it turns on, it's just this really weird noise. I feel like if I keep listening to it, it's gonna kill my brain cells. So, kind of scared.
Yeah, you might call Gullo Ford and see if they've heard of anything like that.
I don't know. Will you take a listen to it though?
Pardon me?
Can I turn my car on real quick and let you listen to it?
We could try that.
All right, hold on.
You a stupid hoe. You a stupid hoe. You a stupid hoe. You a stupid hoe.
Did you hear that?
I have no idea what that is.
I have no clue either. Yeah. It's kind of.
Yeah, call Gullo Ford and let them listen to it, see if they've heard anything like that.
All right.
You have their number?
Yeah, I can. I don't actually. I can go get it though.
You sure?
Yeah.
All right.
Gullo Ford, how may I direct your call?
My car's been making this bad noise, and I need someone to fix it. My car keeps making this really bad noise.
Okay, which car is that? One we worked on?
No, you haven't worked on it. I was gonna take it in.
Oh, that's fine. Bring it out and look at it.
All right. Could you maybe take a listen to it over the phone though, and tell me what's wrong with it? Try to tell me.
I can try, yes.
All right. Here, let me start it.
Okay.
You a stupid hoe.
Did you hear that?
Yeah.
What was
Okay.
that?
Sound like the owner-operator.
I don't know. I don't know. It's like really annoying.
Yeah. No, it sounds like it could be an owner-operator there.
Okay.
Do it again one more time, I'm just...
Okay.
Stupid hoe. You a stupid hoe.
Did you hear it?
Yeah. Yeah, that's the owner-operator there.
Oh, okay.
Okay, but if you don't bring it out, we'll look at it.
All right. All right, guys. You heard it here first. Nicki Minaj sounds like a broken car on her operator. But in all seriousness, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit the thumbs up. It really helps us out a lot. And also, I just wanted to take a second to apologize for the inconsistent uploads. We're trying really hard, guys. We finally got everything figured out, so we should be pumping videos out more often now. Just stick with us, and we'll try to get everything back on track. Thanks, guys.